Minasan ohayou gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, meron tomoshimasu. Paano po ba sabihin in Japanese ang kaninang umaga, mamayang hapon? So, yun po ang tatalakayin natin sa araw na ito. Yun po ang time expression. Handa na po ba kayo? Let's go! Time expression. Toki no hyogen. Day. Hi. The day before yesterday. Ototoy. Yesterday. Kino. Today. Kyo. Tomorrow. Ashita. The day after tomorrow. Asatte. Every day. Mainichi. Morning. Asa. The morning before yesterday. Ototoy no asa. Yesterday morning. Kino no asa. This morning. Kesa. Matawa. Kyou no asa. Tomorrow morning. Ashita no asa. The morning after tomorrow. Asatte no asa. Every morning. Mai asa. Evening or night. Bang. Matawa. Yoru. The night before last. Ototoy no yoru. Matawa. Ototoy no bang. Last night. Kino no bang. Matawa. Kino no yoru. Tonight. Kunbang. Tomorrow night. Ashita no bang. Matawa. Ashita no yoru. The night after tomorrow. Asatte no bang. Matawa. Asatte no yoru. Every night. Mai bang. Week. Shu. The week before last. Sensenshu. Matawa. Nishukang mai. Last week. Senshu. This week. Konshu. Next week. Raishu. The week after next. Saraishu. Every week. Maishu. Month. Tsuki. Matawa. Getsu. The month before last. Sensengetsu. Matawa. Nikagetsu mai. Last month. Sengetsu. This month. Kongetsu. Next month. Raigetsu. Raigetsu. The month after next. Saraigetsu. Saraigetsu. Every month. Maitsuki. Maitsuki. Year. Tushi. Tushi. Matawa. Nen. Nen. The year before last. Ototoshi. Ototoshi. Matawa. Ninen mai. Ninen mai. Last year. Kyonen. Kyonen. This year. Kotoshi. Kotoshi. Next year. Rainen. Rainen. The year after next. Sarainen. Sarainen. Every year. Mainen. Mainen. Matawa. Maitushi. Maitushi. Okay, again. Time expression. Day. Hi. The day before yesterday. Ototoy. Yesterday. Kino. Today. Kyo. Tomorrow. Ashita. The day after tomorrow. Asatte. Every day. Mainichi. Morning. Asa. The morning before yesterday. Ototoy no asa. Yesterday morning. Kino no asa. This morning. Kesa matawa. Kyo no asa. Tomorrow morning. Ashita no asa. The morning after tomorrow. Asatte no asa. Every morning. Mai asa. Evening or night. Bang matawa. Yuru. The night before last. Ototoy no yoru. Ototoy no bang. Last night. Kino no bang. Matawa. Kino no yoru. Tonight. Kunbang. Tomorrow night. Ashita no bang. Matawa. Ashita no yoru. The night after tomorrow. Asatte no bang. Matawa. Asatte no yoru. Every night. Mai bang. Week. Shu. The week before last. Sensenshu. Matawa. Nishukang mai. Last week. Senshu. This week. Konshu. Next week. Raishu. The week after next. Saraishu. Every week. Maishu. Month. Tsuki. Matawa. Getsu. The month before last. Sensen getsu. Nikagetsu mai. Last month. Sengetsu. This month. Kongetsu. Next month. Raigetsu. The month after next. Saraigetsu. Every month. Maitsuki. Year. Tushi. Matawa. Nen. The year before last. Ototoshi. Matawa. Ninen mai. Last year. Kyonen. This year. Kotoshi. Next year. Rainen. The year after next. Sarainen. Every year. Mainen. Matawa. Maitushi. Okay everyone, that's it for today. I hope everyone is safe and well. I'll see you in my next video. At nagsasabing, do whatever he tells you. Bye-bye!